Okay, my name is Amegbeto Sylvain. If you are reke mikudo sena mi reke mikumilero.
Sena la yon be togbe.
Sena we call me grandfather. If you are reke nkejo, what happened? Nkejo.
Oh, sena miku sena mi nekumo jomi adom. Amebo viale mi nya enyi Monsieur Hama.
First of all, we don't have any problem with Sena, and the child is with Pastor Hama.
Pastor.
Okay.
If Pastor Hama babe binyaneba binyanjo hosebe soja ebono ilego.
When Pastor Hama asked the child to come, when the child saw Pastor Hama, he thought it was a soldier, so he refused to follow Pastor Hama.
So ibe vai likaka no si per kana.
So he stayed away from Pastor Hama for complete a year because he was scared to miss Pastor Hama. So later on,
Bruno to Pastor Hama
now Bruno came behind Pastor Hama to come and claim for the birth certificate.
Did you ban Emily ma? Ya mugbe cover and bagro no. I'm a baby man, I'm a boy, I'm a lamb. And you bagron and I've been no. No, im pro near Bruno, I am a tutuni berry. Son of one Bobby, my you in my battery, son of one Bobby Bami, Yakpo, Monsieur Hammer.
Now, when Bruno was claiming the birth certificate, they refused to give it to him because it's not Bruno that came to come and take the child, but it's Pastor Hama that came to come and take the child. So now they said before doing anything or giving the birth certificate to Bruno, we have to see Pastor Hama. So the grandfather of Sena now go back to Pastor Hama to go and ask him, are you the one that sent Bruno to come and collect the birth certificate? And Pastor Hama said no.
Pastor Hama be, and you been catching me van, me been catching me van Gama. Manya Pastor Hama Manya be Bruno back to me for.
And when Sena's grandfather went to go and meet Pastor Hama, Pastor Hama never knew that Bruno has came behind Pastor Hama to come and claim the birth certificate of Sena from his grandfather.
If you are meet me by Mr. Pastor Hama boy brabo Baba yon viele ibo in Suvia you put the kahwe. Wow, you do about the chakli. And
Sena grandfather is saying that Sena there were two. There is a boy and a girl. The girl is staying with Pastor Hama, and the boy is staying with Bruno. But they never did it in a such way that Bruno will start claiming of keeping Sena with him. So when he was started doing something, Sena grandfather now thinks that this guy has something behind his memory. So we have to stand up fast and know what is going on.
Pastor Hama. Pastor Hama be me to me akomia be via yoku mole enyido mi to mi na ipelo mi ba ya.
When Bruno's grandfather went to Pastor Hama to go and ask after Sena, Pastor Hama told them that Sena is staying with Bruno, but that this they have some little misunderstanding. But if they want to see their child, they have to go to Bruno before seeing the child. So when they went there, Bruno refuses to show the child to them because he was claiming to keep the child for himself. So when they went to Bruno to go and ask him, we want to see our child, he asked them that where do they went before coming to his place. Now we now tell him that he was not the one that came to come and take the child, but it's Pastor Hama. So if they need the boy or the girl, they have to go to Pastor Hama before taking any action.
And
later on, when they are trying to question him, he started insulting Sena's grandmother, saying that whenever she comes here, she behaves like a drunkard. That she started insulting her.
yo via beneva via mo va pa to ba de ko to pa to so ne via do shi da so ko bo gbom gogo no acho gogo mi am
when Sinner's family went to Bruno's house to come and see the boy, they called the boy to come and meet his parents, but the boy said no, he won't come and meet his parents. Well, when later on his father gave him money, and the boy took the money from them and now go back to Bruno's.
mi trojo ai be fila gbogbo ba do ka emi gbogbo ika gama me
they left there, and later on the coming Friday they went back there again.
if you emi to nya mo tuni bo po ma be mi pro de viajo na mi akakan fudo basta hama mi dogo na mi dogo a na de via ba me bo ba no pa mi anya lo ebe mo li be mi acho le via.
Now when the next Friday when they went there, the family Sinner's grandfather, Sinner's father and Sinner's grandmother went there to go and tell him that they would like to have a meeting with Pastor Hammer, so they will decide on the fate of the boy. But when they went there to tell Bruno this, Bruno said he is not sitting with anybody, that he is not taking part of this meeting.
Pima me ba listen no le gbogbo na bi mama be via foi ma go chigon. Pima ba do grave me no ma lo.
And there he was saying that the child, he find it on the way that nobody present the child to him.
Obe for the via le ma go chi mama se mle ma go chigon ma ibom. Ya ba le tuni bere nkanchi be baba promo dan ko ba ho le via but the via foi ma go chigon.
Now when they went there to ask after the child, Bruno is now trying to insult them, saying that he found the boy under a mango tree. That he left the mother of Sinner left the boy there and went away. That he came and found him under a mango tree.
Oh, me gbere. Imi ju po monsieur Hamavoa. Imi ju le gbon ya fe me yin ajira ba jo jo mo sa fi ngba ya ngba ba fi ako.
So after this we went to Pastor Hammer to go and see what was going on. It's there that we now realize that this guy is trying to take away our child from us without letting Pastor Hammer know of this.
Aswai be chogara if you know no jibo bajimi imo bejere ka if you come aso mi aga sokoba na me ko le yo mo greton ko pala va ko if you mo ba mi agbolo.
Now after he has tried all his best to convince us here, he didn't find any solution. He now go to Aso to go and convince our chief and give him money to come and bribe us for us to allow him to take away our baby boy. Then we refuse that. So this boy is trying to plan something against our will, because the baby is not given to him for him to keep all day, just for a little while. But we see that he is trying to do something evil. So that's why we stand up to take away our child from him.
Be juba nyamba bi nyago tune be kwa momo likebna ya atu paso amke ne vagwa achoji gbanle na mama pa victor chaba globe agbeji gbanle mo powe na juba mi bagbro ni bogama.
So after all his effort now, we now conclude that we cannot give the birth certificate to him behind Pastor Hammer. And for us to convince him to leave us alone, the father of Sinner now tell him that the baby didn't have birth certificate. So since then he stay away from us.
My family is Dakweti Senave.
Okay, my name is Dakweti Senavoin. Fifi amiti manya benare manya senare reke joro reke miabe via lo reke jokaka mi be miaba plo de via. Sena is my son. If you can't change your car, you may have a plot of ya.
Oh, Ndekamajo. But a daddy boy, young Vanna, Mamma Baba Pony. Bakatu, I do Gama. Even you may a corner to go back your car for no time my way to my way.
So the boy, I gave the boy to daddy. When I went there to go and find out to see how the boy is doing, daddy told me the boy is not with him anymore. and later on we realized that the Bruno came behind daddy, started asking some things that are strange to me, and then I decided that I would take back my son. So I went back to daddy to know where my son is, and daddy directed me to go to Bruno. Okay. So the reason why I decided to take back my boy is that Bruno, what he came here asking, saying about daddy, I didn't like it. So I decided that I would take back my child. The reason why I wanted to take my child is that when he came to me, what he told me was opposite to what he said. Okay, Papa is my uncle. Means that this is Senan's father. So it's your uncle. Go ahead.
Devia beke po devia iba ko devia ko ikondi ke ile po devia kaka va do gade mi ani devia la va fufu nkwa isonti be va fufu nkuru.
Okay, so when he saw when he took the baby, he took him to the hospital. When he find him under a mango tree, as he said. So now when he came to us, tried to explain what happened, that he was the one that take the care of the baby when he was sick, and when the baby was unconscious. Before he became conscious, it was with his wife that he was conscious. So from there that he is asking the father of the boy to write a letter, something like agreement, saying that the baby belongs to him. So when he asked me to sign a document that said that the baby belonged to him, I said no, that I don't know you, that the baby, it was with Pastor Hammer, that if we have to do anything, we have to tell Hammer before taking any action. So when I asked him that we have to meet Hammer before taking any decision, he said that I shouldn't call any Pastor Hammer's name. If you anka global Hammer or any.
Hammer, Vinyl Hammer boy. Hammer, you never cover Nyan cut you a vanna national, and you live jebe. Oh, Hammer got Jalania never tave in a canava from a chica, a do not be, a do conji or a colo. Avanga Hammer do conjia. A toy do conja don a Hamadana Ghana, the shadow, you could appreciate more, you are not the molo.
So when he came, I was trying to tell him that when the baby was sick, it was Hammer that take good care of him, that Hammer has a hospital that take good care of people, go to Ghana and buy medicine and come and cure the children. Then from there he said no, that Hammer is working under him, that he is the boss of the hospital, he is the one that employ Hammer, that Hammer is an employee on his behalf.
He goes to the telephone, if we are go brown,
when I came, I went to Bruno's house to go and find my baby boy. When I went there, his wife, the white, took the baby away from us and start doing things as if the baby is her own baby. So I said, why this guy are doing this to me? That I gave the baby to Hammer, and now you are claiming the baby boy that is yours. That if this will be the case, you have to go to the nearest police station and report this to the police station. Okay. So when I myself, I was not there, but when my wife went there, they jailed my wife because he is claiming that the baby is her own, which is wrong according to Bruno, that the baby is Bruno's baby. I will not give my baby to Bruno. I will never give my baby to him. The way he treated me, I can never give my baby to Bruno. If you are a Mokloniro, he didn't treat you well. As a father, I came there to visit my baby boy 4 times. He never allowed me to see the baby boy, and for this reason, I don't think that the baby will stay with Bruno anymore, because he didn't treated me the way I thought he would. So I don't ever want my baby. If the baby will stay with Bruno, something must happen.
Oh, nyama gno zika Sylvia na Tavini. Va igbo Sylvia ta igbo ka mo la le fa ho wa fa ku le jin ta ngba club de ba gbo.
Vivia, when I went, Sylvain is my uncle. So when I went to Sylvain, Sylvain explained things to me. He said the way Bruno is doing that, people say he should not give the baby to Bruno because his steps does not prove that he's a serious guy that can take good care of a baby. So when you came to you, what do you see? How do you see him?
Beti mata sibeta ka ti vanjo abe atu cha ta gbofu sibeta ni ta ko ya jibe apibinyan lo mo tu me ama ame for ma vanya mo ngi akola.
So you stop him for coming to your house because he's not serious. So to conclude, we can say such guy does not merit my baby boy. That's what the sinner's father is saying right away.
Bruno agbekenya kwa LCB katafiti devia dila bumona devia dila fi devia.
So if I may understand, you said Bruno is a thief. He's trying to steal your baby out of
dila fi devia.
What fi devia is stealing the baby because Ibak Bonono, his way of doing do not correspond to what you people expected from him. His behavior is different. He's like a thief, someone who want to thief the baby away from us.
Never.
Okay, my name is Togbi Atenuvi Agbonu 4. The 4. Okay. So, the name is mi disavire. Mi le sobo Bruno va mi agbo. Beva wondo le mi agbo. Mi jibe mi anya anke tutu beva le mi agbo se kure. So we also come to you as the traditional chief of this village of Aso to tell us what Bruno came here exactly to come and do in your premises. How do you know Bruno?
Bruno.
You don't know Bruno. Bruno.
Bruno. Pastor
Okay, you don't know Bruno. Before you know Bruno, it's Pastor Hama that brought Bruno to you. Okay. If you are in Keva Bruno Valeva Miagbo, what are the problems? What are the causes that make him come behind the pastor to you?
Thank you. Pastor,
pastor do many things. He washes wood for the children.
Eva mana ne David ni David ikanya monu wezia okokone ina konji ne mata wowa ekpena de mianti kokona devia ina konji ne.
He also helped the babies that are not in a good form. He take them to the hospital and take good care of them.
Na kafla adomodol amodunti si aklulene yento tekpena de mianti.
If someone in the village also have hernia problem, Pastor Hama also help the person to cure the hernia problem. Okay, so that's the way you know pastors, by helping you people.
Ekpena de nyom into ike le sronponto chan le swangbo vonu twamata poga ata donne nyon mawa pastor te kokona nyon mubede wonansi sine kokone yina vewe ona donne nyon mo gbagbona vanala.
Okay, so he also saying that Pastor Hama also help some married women who are with their husband, but their husband doesn't have the means to help them or to solve their problem. He take them to the hospital, take good care of them, and later on brought them back to their husband's premises.
Eye bereka bava glone be makoku duko be devi yo na ni devi amonu wevio malnutrition vi muwa nu ukekamine chawo ji dadi eye uva dema e Bruno pledu va nok.
Okay, so one day Pastor Hama called me to send a message to the all the villagers to come and bring their children which are have bad nutrition, some are with other sickness. So from there he came along with Bruno. So that was how you know Bruno. Okay. The name he told Jesse Bruno when he followed Pastor to a meeting in the village. Pastor, how did this boy we are talking about moved to Pastor Hama's premises. How?
Thank you. Ekwo devia tupo be pastor na chike devio no na abiklone devio vo devi ike ni sena ya ibo doatereji ke doatereji a ne va ba na chike ne va ba no na kpora vo mo le po gaya nyiro gema iwo chogane sena be mama be ne ko va igbo le vokan lo.
So when pastor usually come to the village to visit the boy, he gave him some medicine and going and coming back, but later on you see that there's no any changing in this boy health. So he now summarized, gave money to the boy's grandmother so that they will bring the boy to him in Vaughan.
Kukoko devia soya gema eye ma Bruno ba va gbonye be vi que ne le pasteur boa pasteur koko se ye doki boa ijibe ne ba no yoku isron be dudumolo ne juba no yoku isron bolo ba imo blone be ok kenyi daddy si me devia tu ivogala daddy ne va ba anya wa ba plo ku daddy over
Noir Bruno could daddy over. Okay. So when the boy is now staying with Pastor Hama in Vaughan, we see some improvement in his health. So now Bruno now came to you and asked you that he wanted the boy to stay with him, but you said you don't have anything to say unless you see Pastor Hama. So later on, you now go and bring back Pastor Hama.
Vare, demain il va le tutuno. Si bébé devient là adopté devient nene.
Le pasteur bon koumé.
Ça dit il va pour moi. Abe viala no igbo. Va mi nyabe elle a vlobé ya adopté devient.
Okay. So when he came with Pastor Hama, he just asked Pastor Hama that he want the boy to stay with him, not for him to adopt the baby.
Agbali agba va que. Eye ba va il me il globé ba aba o ma do vanan ko be masan.
Okay. Yeah, when he left with daddy, he later on come back alone to ask